So how to install ecobee app? So here is ecobee app. Imagine what home could be. Energy savings, comfort and security at your fingertips, full control from anywhere for peace of mind anytime. Stay connected to home with clear stored clarity, simple installation guides, hands-free control when you need it. So this is just kind of like smart home app. You just need to have ecobee devices and you just control them from this app. Smart thermostat, smart camera, smart sensor. So super easy to set up. App has over 100,000 ratings. So then you can just create an account here and or sign in with existing account. Unfortunately, there is no Apple or Google sign in, but that's just how you can do it. And then that's how it starts working.